Al-Alwan. This is video number 2. I recommend you to watch the previous video before this one. In this one, I'm just focusing on masculine and feminine form. مذكر ومؤنث. مذكر masculine, مؤنث feminine. أحمر حمراء. أصفر صفراء. أخضر خضراء. أزرق زرقاء. أبيض بيضاء. أسود سوداء. بني بنية. برتقالي برتقالية. أسمر سمراء. رمادي or sakani. In my previous video I mentioned sakani. Also this color we can also call it ramadi. Ramadiyya or sakaniya. Wardi or also we can say zahri. Wardiyya. Zahriya. If you are paying attention to the previous slides, you can see we have two tables. One of them, you can see the feminine ends with alif and hamzah, and the second one, you can see the feminine ends with ta marbuta. So if you like to memorize them, make them two tables like this. Azraq, zarqa. You see all of them end with alif, hamzah. أخضر خضراء. أحمر حمراء. أسود سوداء. أبيض بيضاء. أصفر صفراء. So this is the first group. The second group, they end, all the feminine ends with ta marbuta. برتقالي برتقالية. وردي وردية. بني بنية. رمادي رمادية. So this is the best way to memorize them. Make them two groups. The first group, the feminine ends with alif hamzah. The second group, the feminine ends with ta marbuta.